Hi, I'm Vaughan and I'm here to share something really exciting. Starting from October 1st, 2024, all Mitsubishi Electric fridges and freezers will come with a 5-year factory warranty. That's 3 extra years of peace of mind to help you shop with confidence, knowing your appliance is built to last. But that's not all. For our inverter fridges and freezers, we also include a 10-year warranty on compressor parts. Now this is a clear sign of our commitment to long-term customer satisfaction. So let's dive into what this means for you. The first thing that we have to think about is trust, confidence and local support. When you buy a Mitsubishi Electric fridge, you're choosing reliability backed by local support you can trust. With our 5-year factory warranty, you're covered for longer, supported by BDT's trusted service right here in New Zealand. The second point is long-term value and peace of mind. Our 5-year warranty means fewer worries and more time enjoying a fridge that works hard for your household. Point number 3, standing out in the market. Many brands offer just 2 years of coverage, but at Mitsubishi Electric we go further. Our 5-year factory warranty shows we're serious about quality and ensures your fridge stands out as a smart, reliable choice. Point 4, exceptional value for your investment. Now a fridge isn't just another appliance, it's a big part of your daily life. That's why our extended warranty ensures you get the most value from your investment with lasting performance you can depend on. Point 5, reinforcing a trusted brand. For decades, Kiwi households have trusted Mitsubishi Electric to deliver reliable, premium appliances. With our new 5-year warranty, we're proud to offer even more reasons for you to choose us with confidence. So in summary, Mitsubishi Electric's 5-year factory warranty makes it easy to shop with confidence. It's not just about buying a fridge, it's about investing in reliable performance, long-term value, and of course, peace of mind that lasts. Thank you for choosing Mitsubishi Electric, your trusted partner for premium appliances built for Kiwi homes.